Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dua, a consultant clinical psychologist, and today we are going to explore a powerful, gentle, and yet deeply transformative tool that is visualization that would help you calm the noise of overthinking. So, overthinking, that constant mental loop of what if, did I say the right thing? And what happens if hmm, can be emotionally exhausting. But today, I invite you to pause, to breathe, and to journey with me into your mind's eye so you can build a safe space, slow your thoughts, and reclaim peace. If this resonates with you, please like and subscribe and follow the channel. I create content like this to help you build mental strength, calm your mind, and live more intentionally. For this session, find a quiet, comfortable space. Either sit or lie down, turn off distractions, put your phone on silent, and close your laptop. Dim the lights if you can. Give yourself permission for the next 50 minutes to just be here in present. This is your time. So now first understand what is overthinking and visualization. So overthinking is more than just thinking a lot. It's repeated mental loops, replaying conversations, worrying about the future, and second guessing decisions and often feeling stuck. These cycles can feel like a weight pressing on your mind. And for many of us, overthinking is rooted in a search for control, certainty, and safety. We think, rethink, plan, and project, all in the hope of not making a mistake or avoiding pain. But ironically, overthinking often creates more anxiety, more paralysis, and more emotional exhaustion. So, how can visualization help? We are talking about a technique called guided imagery, using your imagination to create mental scenes that bring calm, clarity, and control. When done mindfully, your body and brain respond as though these peaceful images are real, and your breathing slows, and your heart rate calms, and your muscles relax. And visualization has been shown to reduce stress, over anxiety, and even improve sleep. In guided imagery, you're not just daydreaming, you are using all your senses to build a rich, immersive scene. What you see, what you hear, what you feel, and what you can smell. Okay? And for people who overthink, visualization offers something special. A mental safe place. You can externalize your worries, contain them, consciously decide on how to relate to them. Using symbolic imagery like putting thoughts in a container help to create distance. The thoughts don't overwhelm you, and over time as you practice your brain learns. When I'm stressed, I can shift to calm, to clarity, that with resilience. And the most important thing is, like, with imagination you can achieve something. Okay, if you want to be successful, if you want to be confident, if you want to love someone, if you want to forget someone, so if everything, visualization plays an important role. When you think about someone, when you start imagining about it, someone, it strengthens your relationship with them, strengthens your love bond with them. So same goes for money, attraction, same goes for the job, the confidence in everything that you want to achieve. So now I want you to prepare for the practice, and before we begin the guided visualization, let's prepare your physical and mental space. Make sure your posture is comfortable. Sit in a chair with relaxed shoulders. or lie down on your back, letting your body be separate. Close your eyes softly, if that's okay for you. Take some deep, slow breaths in and out. Inhale calm and exhale tension. Take a deep, slow breath in and out. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. Now, let's do a brief grounding exercise to anchor you in your body and the present moment. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel them rooted and connected. Feel that your feet are on the ground. Slowly move your attention to your calves, your knees, your thighs. Notice any tension. Just observe and keep on doing deep breathing. With each exhale, let the tension soften. Now, slowly move your attention towards your hips, belly, chest, shoulders, arms, hands, neck, and head. Now slowly feel that you are releasing tension from your belly. You're releasing tension from your chest. You are releasing tension while you are exhaling. Your tension is released from your shoulders. And you are very, very, very relaxed. Now, your arms are light. Your hands are free. Take a deep breath in and exhale through your mouth. Now feel the neck and the head. They are relaxed. Each part of the body is relaxed. Now, letting gravity support you. So now you are grounded. And you will introduce the idea of sensory visualization. As you imagine your mental scenes, engage all your senses. Think about what you might see, hear, feel, and smell. Maybe taste as well. The more sensory detail you bring, the more your brain and body respond with relaxation. You can do this with creating a scene from scratch. If it feels hard, that's okay. You can use memories, a place where you have been, or entirely imaginary place. You can just sense it, you can feel it, you can taste if you guys are in a restaurant. Just visualize that happy moment that you had. Okay? Then this is the heart of the session, a guided journey using imagery, the guided visualization journey. Addressing overthinking and using symbolic techniques like containment. Okay, I like to use these so that you can connect better. Okay, so now a deep breath in and out. And imagine in front of you a pathway. There is a path just for you. It, it may be real or made by your mind. Start walking along it slowly, and with each step, feel the surface beneath your feet. Is it soft earth, smooth stone, warm sand? Notice the air around you. Is there a breeze? Is the sun gently touching your skin? Let yourself walk at a comfortable pace. As you walk, begin to take in your surroundings. See the colors around you: trees, flowers, sky, water, or anything your mind creates. Hear the sounds: birds, winds, flowing water, rustling leaves. Feel the textures: the ground, maybe a soft breeze, a warm sun rays, and smell the air: fresh grass, salty sea, wood, flowers, whichever feels right to you. Just be there, fully in this imagery. I had you notice a place, your sanctuary, your safe place. It could be a garden, a beach, a mountain, cabin, or room, whichever feels most calming and soothing to you. As you step into this place, let it settle around you. Take a moment to simply be. Feel the ground beneath you. Sense the air and let yourself sink into this spot mentally, emotionally. And this is your space. Now, in this sanctuary, allow your overthinking thoughts to appear, but not as overwhelming, scary things. Rather, they come as objects or images. They might show up as little clouds, glowing orbs, floating letters, or whatever from your mind gives them. Notice how they look, gently without judgment. Now, next to you is your safe place, is a container, a box, a chest, a jar, whatever makes sense to you. One by one, take each thought, image, and place into this container. Slowly and gently, each orb, cloud, or thought object goes inside, and you don't have to get rid of them. You will simply putting them somewhere safe for now. And when the container is full, close its lid, seal it in whatever way feels symbolic to you. Choosing the lid, locking it, maybe covering it with a soft cloth. Now see that container transforming. Maybe it glows, maybe it becomes lighter, translucent, or changes color. Whatever your mind creates, watch it gently settle into your safe place. Feel a sense of relief. Your thoughts are not just gone, but now there is a space. You have created distance. From that container, pick one thought or image that feels less heavy. Something that represents clarity, strength, or insight. Lift it out gently in your mind and transform it. Make it bright, light, or full of warm energy. As you focus on this transformed image, pair it with an affirmation. It might be, I have control over my mind, or my thoughts serve me, they don't define me. Repeat this phrase softly in your mind as you hold the image. And let this positive energy expand within you, filling your chest, your mind, your whole self. Breathe in this positive image, this light, this clarity. And with every inhale, let it grow inside you. With every exhale, let go of any residual tension or heaviness. Feel your body respond. Your heart, your lungs, your belly. Let yourself absorb this calm. Now, gently shift your awareness to reflect. How do you feel right now compared to when we started? Um, what was it like to see your overthinking thoughts as objects? Just placing them in a container feels different than just trying to stop them. And when you transformed one thought into something positive, how did you feel? And you can sit with these questions if you want. You can journal that and write down anything that come up, images, feelings, and insight. Okay. Whenever this is a practice, if you guys want to practice this into your daily life, whenever you catch yourself overthinking, pause and take a few deep breaths. Use micro visualization technique. Imagine that some container in your mind and mentally place your worry or inside. Seal it in just symbolically and then bring to mind one small positive image or affirmation. With repeat use, this becomes more mental habit or go-to tool to interrupt rumination and regain calm. Okay, it's not about suppressing thoughts forever. It's about creating a safe space for them and choosing which one to hold lightly and which one to transform. And it's time to gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Feel the surface supporting you. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and out. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. By showing up, you are already doing something powerful. You are giving your mind permission to rest, to process, and to heal. Overthinking doesn't have to control you, and with practice, this visualization tool can be your anchor, your safe place, and your reset. If you find value in this session, please like, subscribe, and follow. It helps me to reach more people who are also dealing with overthinking and mental overwhelm. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment or message me. What image did you visualize? What did your container look like? And what information felt right for you? Sharing helps build this community. If you know someone who struggles with overthinking, consider sharing this with them. You might just give them a way to calm their mind too. And for therapy or any sort of consultation, I'm always available for you. Don't feel alone. You can contact me anytime. And take this piece with you in your day and be kind to yourself. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.